Want to become a data scientist without any prior experience and increase your salary to over 4 lakhs per month or above? Then this is just for you to train you up with the cutting edge technology to dominate your skills in the market. Sounds good? Then you must watch this video until the end. Artificial intelligence and machine learning in the space of data science have been huge in demand. The demand has already surpassed the supply by 60% year-on-year basis, and there is a 400% growth in data science space every year as per the Gartner report. Now this is the perfect time to invest in yourself. Invest in a frontier technologies like data science, artificial intelligence and machine learning and dominate the future with this simple yet powerful step. First, build a portfolio that leverages your prior domain skills and combine it with data science. Work on the problems you are truly passionate about. And the third, that way you can attract right kind of employers. Hi, my name is Manoj Gupta. I am Solution Director and Chief Data Architect, founder of Rethink Career Hub and creator of Career Acceleration Mastery. I am a graduate of IIT Stuart School of Business, Chicago and NIT Jamshedpur. I have helped over 2,000 working professionals and students securing fulfilling and lucrative jobs in their dream companies like Meta, Apple, Amazon, ADP, TCC, the Coca-Cola, Microsoft, Deloitte, Accenture, so on and so forth. If you want to know these secrets to secure a fulfilling and lucrative job in data science, please click the link below and register for the 2-hour workshop. See you soon.